Hi guys, in this video we're going to run through how to download and install the libraries for your iDronebot. So on your computer, go ahead and open up a browser and navigate to iDroneprogram.org. And then on this site, you're going to scroll down a little bit until you find this red button and go ahead and click on it. And then on this page, go to the Modules tab and go down to Module 4, iDronebot, and click on that. And then on this page, you're going to scroll down a ways until you see the Download Robotics Code button. And go ahead and click on that. And then download this zip file here. And that will save to your Downloads folder, so you can go ahead and navigate to wherever that is on your computer. And then since it's a zip file, we're going to need to unzip it to use the files inside. So I'm going to right-click, Extract All, and click Extract. And then it extracted it here. It's no longer a zip file. So I'm just going to open that up. You can see inside there's two files. There's another zip file, and there's a Cupdrone Rio robot folder. So this zip file is actually a library that we're going to include in the Arduino editor, so we can use some different programs that come with it. And then this Cupdrone Rio robot folder has 5 different example programs that we can run on the iDronebot. So I'm going to minimize these tabs and open up the Arduino IDE. And inside of the IDE, I'm going to go to Sketch, Include Library, Add Zip Library. And then since we saved that folder to downloads, I'm going to go into downloads and then this unzipped file right here. And then click this Cupdrone Rio libraries master.zip file. Remember, this is that library zip file. We're going to include that. You'll see for me it says a library named Cupdrone Rio libraries master already exists because I already have it imported in here. But for you, that should run without error. And you've just included the library in the Arduino IDE. And so now if you go to File, Examples, and then scroll down, at the very bottom you should have this Cupdrone Rio examples file, and it should have several different examples here, example Arduino sketches. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close out of this Arduino IDE, and then go back to the File Explorer where we downloaded our folders to. And remember, in this Cupdrone Rio robot folder, we have 5 different example Arduino sketches. Go ahead and open up the rccar folder, and then open up the rccar.ini file. RC stands for remote control, and so this is an Arduino program that we've gone ahead and provided you. And if you download it to your iDronebot, it will allow you to control it remotely from your smartphone, like a little remote control car. So that's what we're going to do today. Go ahead and get out your iDronebot like I have here, and I'm going to hook it up to my computer with the USB cable, like that. And then go ahead and select the board in your Arduino IDE, and then just go ahead and upload this code to it. And then on your smartphone, while this is uploading, you can go ahead and open the Cupdrone app for the joystick control. Once that has uploaded, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to this view. Now I will unplug this USB cable because I don't want it dragging around when we're controlling the car. And then on the Cupdrone mobile app, I'm going to go to this settings icon and click scan. And now it's scanning Bluetooth connections nearby. So you'll actually need to turn your turn the circuit board on with this little on-off switch here. And now you can see it found the Cupdrone Bluetooth signal. So I'm going to click it to connect to it. Click connect. And then once that's connected, I'll go back to the home screen and click this unlock button once at the bottom center here. And now the left joystick doesn't do anything, but the right joystick should control the car. So let's try it out. And just like that, we can turn every direction and we can drive around any way we want. So go ahead and try this out, see if it works for you, and have fun.